Hello everyone, thank you so much for clicking and you're much welcome to my English to Ifugao tutorial. My name is Abraham and I'm here to teach you on how to speak English to Ifugao language. So, tune in, not tune out. And of course, if you are new here, please don't forget to click the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so that you will be updated for our next videos. Thank you so much. English to Ifugao questions with why. Actually, there are a lot of words on how to say why in Ifugao. So we have here some examples. Ngana, ngana. You can also say tanganu, tanganu. Nape, nape. Or hiyake, hiyake. Repeat after me. Ngana, ngana. Tanganu, tanganu. Nape, nape. Hiyake, hiyake. I'm just gonna use the word ngana to avoid confusion. So let's start with the first sentence. Why did you do that? Ngana ta inat mo nae? Ngana ta inat mo nae? So we need to blend ngana ta into nganat. Nganat inat mo nae? Nganat inat mo nae? You can also say nganat inat hinam? Nganat inat hinam? Nganat inat hinam is better to use when you think someone made a mistake or made a strange things, like for example tying his or her shoes. So when he or she made a mistake in tying his or her shoes, then you can say nganat inat hinam or nganat inat hinam, nganat inat hinam. However, when you are asking someone because he or she probably did something bad to someone else, then nganat inat mo nae is the best or is a better way to ask. Ngana ta inat mo nae or nganat inat mo nae. Why? Nganat, did, inat, mo is you, and that is nae. Nganat inat mo nae. Number 2, why are you here? So this is a little bit rude question, but it's alright. You can use this question when you accidentally meet someone you know on the road or somewhere else in the supermarket. So if you want to use the first sentence, which is ngana ta ekadehtu, you need to held the final A for the word ngana. Ngana. Ngana ta ekadehtu. But if you want to use the next one, if you want to blend ngana ta into nganat, then you can just simply say nganat ekadehtu, nganat ekadehtu. Or you can also make it reverse. Or you can also reverse it. Nganat dehtu ka, nganat dehtu ka. Alright. So nganat ekadehtu or nganat dehtu ka. Number 3, why do you wanna go there? In Ifugao, ngana ta pinhod mo an umehidi. So let's blend it. In speaking, we just say nganat pinhod mun umehdi. Okay, follow after me. Nganat pinhod mun umehdi. Nganat pinhod mun umehdi. Nganat pinhod mun umehdi. Nganat pinhod mun umehdi. It means, why do you want to go there? Number 4, how to say, why are you angry? In Ifugao, ngana ta eka bumabohor. Ngana ta eka bumabohor. But in speaking, we can just say nganat eka bumabohor. We need to held the letter T, like for example, nganat. Nganat. Nganat eka bumabohol. Okay, follow after me. Nganat eka bumabohol. Nganat eka bumabohol. Nganat eka bumabohol. Nganat eka bumabohol. Number 5. Why did you get angry yesterday? Ngana ta eka bimohol at kugaban? Ngana ta eka bimohol at kugaban? Or nganat eka bimohol at kugaban? 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 Angry means bimungot or bimohol. Anger means bungot or bohol. Number 6. Why are you crying? In Ifugao, ngana ta eka kumkumga or munkogkogga. So the word crying here in Ifugao is kumkumga or munkogkogga. So you can choose anything you want here. They are both useful. So follow after me. Ngana ta eka kumkumga or ngana ta eka munkogkogga. So let's blend it. In speaking, nganat eka kumkumga. Nganat eka kumkumga. Nganat eka kumkumga. Let's use the other one. Nganat eka munkogkogga. Nganat eka munkogkogga. Nganat eka munkogkogga. There you go. Number 7. Why do you like him or her? In Ifugao, ngana ta pinhod mo hiyana? The word hiyana is a term for both male or female, or for him or her. So when you speak fast, it goes like this. Nganat pinhod mo hiyana? 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 That's great. Number 8. Why do you like dried fish? So dried fish is one of the exotic Filipino foods. Alright, so we say it as ngana ta pinhod mo ituyo. When you speak fast, you can just say nganat. Nganat pinhod mo ituyo. Nganat pinhod mo ituyo. So always remember that you need to hold the final T for the word nganat. Nganat pinhod mo ituyo. Okay, let's say it again. Follow after me. Nganat pinhod mo ituyo. Nganat pinhod mo ituyo. Nganat pinhod mo ituyo. Alright. Anyway, I love to you. Number 9. How to say why are you shy in Ifugao? So we say it as ngana ta eka bumain. Ngana ta eka bumain. Or if you speak fast, it will become nganat eka bumain. Nganat eka bumain. Nganat eka bumain. Nganat eka bumain. Number 10. Why it's smelly here? So in Ifugao, ngana ta mun hamoy hito. If you speak fast, nganat mun hamoy hito. Nganat mun hamoy hito. Nganat mun hamoy hito. The word mun hamoy is smelly. Hito means here. So let's say it again. Nganat mun hamoy hito. Nganat mun hamoy hito. Nganat mun hamoy hito. It simply means why it's smelly here. How to say why are you late in Ifugao? Ngana ta naladaw ka? Ngana ta naladaw ka? If you speak fast, nganat naladaw ka? Nganat naladaw ka? Nganat naladaw ka? Nganat naladaw ka? The word naladaw means late. Ka means you. Nganat naladaw ka? Nganat naladaw ka? There you go. And the last but not the least, number 12. Why did you go there? In Ifugao, ngana ta eka imehidi. So, if you speak fast, it goes like this. Nganat eka imehdi. Nganat eka imehdi. Nganat eka imehdi. Or you can also reverse it. Nganat immekahdi. Nganat immekahdi. Alright. The word eka here means you, and imme is the past form of did go, and hidi is there. Alright, so let's say these sentences again. Why did you go there? Ngana ta eka imme hidi. Nganat eka imme hidi. Nganat imme kahdi. Okay.